Hi everyone, hello. Hope you're well, hope you're good. So, our topic for this week will be modes of entry. So, the modes of entry in international business. Right, so how do multinationals choose how to enter new markets? These are your tutorial activities that you have to um, do before you come to class, okay? So these are your before tutorial activities. So you read the case study I'm about to give you and you answer the questions before you come to your tutorial classes. So here we go. Right. So our reading for this week will be the article Greenfield Investment versus Merger and Acquisition as an Entry Strategy in Mexico, the case of Austrian companies. Okay, so I put this on Blackboard. I put a link, right? It's a ResearchGate article. Okay, so read this before you come to your class. Okay, make sure you do this. Right. Now, these are the questions you have to answer after reading that article, okay? So you can answer this, you can write it down in your notebook, you can type it up on your computer, but these are the questions, okay? So your before tutorial activities questions. The first question you need to answer is, what is FDI? Okay, what is FDI? The second question is, why did the Austrian companies in our case study decide to enter Mexico? The third question is, what were the motives for the entry strategies that they chose? So the motives for the entry strategies that those companies chose. And then the fourth and final question is, what are the differences between brownfields and greenfields and mergers and acquisitions? Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it because my uh, face seems to be blocking that question. Okay, but that's what it says. Let me see if I can move myself out of the screen. Okay, but the final question is, what are the differences between brownfields and greenfields and mergers and acquisitions? So those are the four questions you need to answer before coming to class. Okay, if you want to study more, right, if you want to study ahead, I would advise you to read up on this topic. So hierarchical entry modes. Hierarchical entry modes give us high risk and high control, but low flexibility. Some examples are joint ventures, mergers, greenfields, and brownfields. So you can read up on them before you come to class. You might also want to read up on intermediate control. So where we have shared control and split ownership. Some examples are licensing and franchises. And then the final thing you might want to read up before coming to class are export modes. So when you export abroad, low risk, low control, but high flexibility. Some examples are indirect exporting, direct exporting, and cooperative exporting. So you might want to read up on these as well before you come to class. Just pick up any textbook and that will do. Okay, that's it for now. Don't forget to answer those four questions and I will see you in class. Bye for now. See you.